everybody, welcome back. I wanted to add a little bit to my kind of series on watch maintenance. This is probably a video I should have made years ago, but didn't. So I'm going to show you how to change a watch battery. It's super simple. This Timex is dead and needs a new battery in it. So there are a variety of batteries that you can need for watches. These are very common. There's also some other ones that are slightly larger that are very common. Luckily, on the back of this Timex, it does tell you that it's, let's see, can you see it there? Here, right there, the 377 E-cell. So that's what that is. Luckily, this one also has a very convenient entry point. Not all do, but for these, all you gotta do is to start, you gotta open the back here. Sorry, this is a little hard. It's easier when you're not doing it for filming, but you gotta work around a camera, have the microphone in the way. That's why all the videos you guys see of watch maintenance are, oh, sorry there, punch the camera, usually a little awkward because we're all trying to work around something like this. So you pop that off. And right there is the watch battery, right inside. Some go by that SP number, the 626S. Then it's a fairly simple process. Let's see on this guy, can we just pop him out? Yep, you just pop that guy out. Dump them out. This is honestly, it feels like a waste of a video to be making because of how absolutely simple this is, but I know some people are slightly intimidated. Other watches you might need to take the whole back off, but the process is the exact same. It's just popping in the little battery and popping out another battery. Kind of line that guy up where you need him. It helps to know what side you're coming in from. This one wants to come in that way. Pop them down. Make sure you put this little gasket back in. Didn't realize he had popped out. Don't want to lose the gasket. You lose that gasket and that watch is not very water resistant anymore. Sorry, I lost. There it is, boy, they never tell you how awkward it is to film and do work like this. Once you get back in, there we are. Gotta find where he sits flush. It's right there. Oops. In a lot of these situations, it does help to, when you get it seated, kind of turn it towards open. That helps it line up, and then you could twist it back towards closed. That just kind of helps it sit in the grooves properly. I know the screwdriver is definitely not the right tool for this. It is scratching it up a little bit, so try to find something better. It's a kind of awkward little hole, but there we go. That's in, and there you go, taken away. That's how easy it is to change the batteries on these things. Every watch will be the exact same, basically. You pop open the back and you pop out the battery and you pop in the right battery. It's very simple. Don't be afraid of it. I know a lot of people are, but it's a very, very simple thing to do. And maybe I'll make a few more of these in the future of different types of watch backs. But yeah, that's how you do it. It's simple, and go take care of your watches and put in the right batteries. See you guys next time.